Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. With each breath, allow yourself to feel more relaxed and more at ease. As you continue to breathe deeply and evenly, feel the tension leaving your body from the top of your head down to your toes. Just imagine a wave of relaxation spreading through you. With every breath, this wave deepens your state of calm, allowing you to sink deeper and deeper, safe and secure and completely at ease. Just breathe for a few moments, feeling that wave wash over you with each breath. Now, in your mind's eye, see yourself standing at the top of a beautiful staircase. With each number I count down from 10 to 1, feel yourself taking a step down, becoming more deeply relaxed with each step. 10, 9, deeply relaxed. 8, 7, more and more. 6, 5, deeply serene. 4, 3, almost at the bottom. 2, and 1. Now you are at the deepest level of relaxation. As you are now deeply relaxed, your mind is open and receptive to new ideas and perspectives. Imagine a heavy cloak draped over your shoulders. This cloak represents your old beliefs of scarcity and lack. Feel its weight, but it is time to let go. See yourself removing the cloak. As it falls away, so do your old beliefs. Feel the lightness as you let go of the poverty mentality. You are free from these constraints, free to embrace a new way of thinking, an abundant way of thinking. You are now releasing the scarcity mindset. With each breath out, you expel the old limiting beliefs. And with each breath in, you breathe in abundance and possibility. You are deserving of wealth, health, and happiness. You now release all limiting beliefs about money and resources. Right now, you are letting go of any deep-seated beliefs that money is scarce or hard to come by. You open yourself up to the truth that the universe is abundant and there is a plentiful supply of resources available to you. Each day, you become more receptive to this truth, allowing your actions and decisions to reflect a reality of abundance and generosity. Abundance flows to you effortlessly as you move beyond your past constraints. You embrace the flowing river of abundance that naturally moves towards you. You acknowledge that any previous constraints were simply lessons that have prepared you for the wealth and abundance you are now ready to receive. Your past experiences have equipped you with the wisdom, and now you step into the future where resources come to you easily and without struggle. You are worthy of financial security and prosperity. With each breath, you affirm your inherent worthiness of financial security and prosperity. You are deserving of a life filled with abundance in all forms. You accept that prosperity is your natural state of being, and you welcome it into your life, knowing that you are fully worthy of the wealth that comes to you. Your actions create a ripple effect of prosperity and abundance. You are a powerful creator, and your actions and thoughts send out ripples of abundance and success. You choose to make decisions that foster opportunities not only for yourself, but also for others. The positive impact of your abundance mindset extends far beyond your personal sphere, touching the lives of others and multiplying the wealth that circulates in your community and the world. Gratitude fills your heart, and you trust the universe to provide abundantly. Gratitude is the foundation of your abundant life. You are deeply thankful for all that you have and all that is yet to come. This gratitude opens your heart to trust in the universe, confident in the knowledge that your needs are met and exceeded. You live with the certainty that the universe is generous and provides abundantly for you in all ways. Now take a deep breath. I want you to now imagine a warm, glowing light of abundance. It surrounds you with the energy of prosperity and success. This light is attracting all that you desire. Feel it filling you with the belief that there is more than enough in the world for everyone, including you. With every breath, this light becomes brighter. Your belief in abundance grows stronger. You see opportunities everywhere. You are capable of creating wealth. Your actions bring abundance to you and others. You are a magnet. You are a magnet for prosperity. Your mind is attuned to the frequency of abundance. Every day, in every way, you are more and more abundant. You trust the universe to provide for your needs and desires. Deep within you lies the wellspring of abundance that flows freely. Every moment brings opportunities for prosperity, and you are open and ready to receive them. Your mind and heart accept and relish in the abundance that is your birthright. You are infinitely resourceful, and your potential to create wealth is unlimited. You are inherently deserving of abundance and prosperity. The universe is generous, and you are a favored child of the universe. Your actions are in harmony with the flow of wealth and success. You graciously receive the gifts of abundance that come your way, knowing that you are worthy of them. Your eyes see abundance everywhere. You recognize and embrace the wealth opportunities that surround you. Each step that you take is a step towards greater prosperity. Growth and abundance are natural outcomes of your endeavors. You are a magnet for success, drawing opportunities for wealth and personal growth to yourself with ease and grace. There is plenty for all, and your mind is attuned to this truth. Scarcity is an illusion. Your reality is one of plenty and satisfaction. Your thoughts, words, and actions create a ripple of prosperity in your life and in the lives of others. You live in a state of gratitude and contentment, knowing that your needs are always met and often exceeded. You step into an abundant future with confidence and joy. Each day unfolds new paths to success and fulfillment. You are aligned with the energy of abundance. Your path is one of constant prosperity. The universe conspires to help you succeed, and you are prepared to leap forward into a future rich with possibilities and wealth in all its forms. Take a deep breath. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 5, and with each number, you will start to feel more awake and alert, bringing back with you a feeling of abundance and positivity. 1, slowly coming back. 2, bringing back the belief in abundance. 3, feeling more aware. 4, eyes beginning to further open, and 5, eyes open, fully awake, feeling abundant and refreshed.